Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to pirate Steam games. So the first step is actually pretty simple. We just need to have Steam open, we need to have Steam tools, and we need to be in the server, which is called Sharon. Um, so what we're actually going to do is we're going to do a little bit different since we need to get some game for our own. Anyways, so I'm just going to be like picking random games off the chart right here, to show you it actually works. But quick thing, you're gonna play multiplayer if however you want to pirate the games, but if you want to like play different games where it's pirated, you can do that, but you cannot play with other players, except if they also did pirate it. So we're just gonna pick a random game right here. For example, let's just uh just let's just pick uh let's 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 pick Farming Simulator. Why not? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into our card after we have picked it, like right here. Um, so what you're actually gonna do is you're only gonna have to like need the farming simulator, right? And you're gonna have to go into our server. You're gonna type the command slash generator. You're gonna put the whole like link. You're gonna delete everything else but the numbers because we need the app ID. And you're gonna delete the rest. Now when you have given the command to our bot, you will be able to like get this one, and you need to unpack them all, or rather extend, or how would you say it in English? Next you're gonna do the windows, and you're gonna need Steam tools as we did before. Um, you're just gonna like mark it, and you're just gonna slide it right into Steam tools. Then you're gonna restart Steam, and it's gonna do the whole trick. Um, since we don't actually have anything else to do, I'm really just gonna like show you the whole like thing after this. So we're gonna do a little bit different this time. When we're logged in, we will be able to get the games, but you will probably see this in the start where you will get this one, like where it says purchased minus curve because it's Danish, which is why we need to like restart it 2 to 3 times maybe. It's mostly only 2 times. I will give you a command but that's however for another video if there's like any problems, rather errors. Um, There's no actual limit to like what kind of game you want. It can be like 18 plus, anything pretty much else. You can get like what beat banger, anything. So like pretty much like beat banger for example, right? Um, but we're gonna go after farming simulator that we got right here. So now we got farming simulator. It will cost like 38, 35 like gigabytes, like right. When you can see like it's gonna be starting downloading right here in any second. Let's give it a little bit. Um, so like just okay, that's not actually apparently low right now. Anyways, let's just yep, download. There we go. Alright, so when it's like done downloading right here, you can actually play the game. I do actually have a lot of games that are pirated. For example, Dead Disco, you can play it. Invincible, you can also update it. Like People's Playground, like right, we can play that now. Like right here, come up right there. So like when you're done with that, like maybe like trying it, you can actually play the game. For example, you can also download mods like right here. For example, like Aura mod beta and JJK skins, like right. And you can even play all the things right here. You can also download mods from like anything else. It will take a little bit more time than the normal game, but that is because the app, or rather our generator app, does take a bit of time because it needs to like go through the like things, right? Like we need to go through the files, like the manifest files, and go into the app itself. You can like do anything like at this like point, like right. Just like do all the commands that you want to do, like even in the game. Which I'm like in 9. So everything works as it should. And yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it, right? So that's how I actually do. Anyways, see you guys.